So I got some of Johann Ferment's Do Nothing bread here. It's at 90% hydration. I used 10 grams of starter, 900 grams of water, 600 grams of whole wheat flour, freshly ground, and 400 grams of bread flour, 20 grams of salt. So I mixed this just until it was incorporated 24 hours ago, and I just let it set. About an hour ago I did one fold. I'm going to shape it into 4 small loaves, and we'll see how it comes out. The dough's been at about 64 degrees Fahrenheit since last night. It's almost at 65 right now. Well, there it just went to 65. I have a bit of a cold, so my voice sounds a little funny. I estimate that we'll need about 480 grams for the small loaves. Trying to see how much this weighs. 483, so I'll leave that one. This was the Do Nothing bread that Johann Ferment showed us at the Quest for Sourdough, the workshop that I attended, and it was just so fascinating, and now everybody's doing it, so of course I've got to do it. Let's see, I need a little bit more there. Okay. The do nothing part of the bread is that you mix it and just let it sit and do nothing with it. No folding, no kneading, and it develops by itself, and it's supposed to be more nutritious for you. Okay, that one's just a little smaller than the rest, but we'll just leave it. So I'm going to shape these loaves and put them in a banneton, and I'm using some whole wheat, semolina flour, and rice flour for dusting here. Now, Johann did very little shaping on the bread, and so that's what I'm going to do. And I'll just go ahead and place it right into the banneton. Just like that. So it's actually a pretty rustic bread as well, shaped very, very loosely, very easily here. There, now I've got 4 loaves at about 480 grams. One was a little bit smaller. Okay, it's been an hour. I'm going to put 2 of these loaves into the oven at a time. I'm going to bake at 470 degrees instead of the 450. I think I'm going to bake a bit hotter. So we'll see how it goes. This is Johann Ferment's Do Nothing bread. 90% hydration. I'll be taking a slice here. This bread was mixed up and then left for 24 hours. It was folded once. So that's why it's called Do Nothing bread. It's still warm. Got this bread still warm out of the oven.